Okay, so here I am sharing something watching the Two States movie. I saw Ananya trying tandoori roti and tandoori chicken or roti with tandoori chicken. So here I will also try the same for the first time, like dry roti and dry tandoori chicken. So how it tastes. Let's see. Okay, so you can see I have taken this tandoori roti and pairing it up with dry tandoori chicken. So we'll just taste and tell you how it looks. I am taking the dip and some onion. Mmm, yummy. So I tried this for the first time, inspired from the movie Two States. It just tastes yummy. Please have a try and let me know how that tastes for you.